Very good morning, children. Hi, children. Very good morning to you. Welcome once again to the online classes. So today you are going to learn English writing. What? English writing. Okay, English writing. So let's revise first what we learned in the previous class. Okay. Red line, blue line, blue line, red line, red line, blue line, blue line, red line. Again repeat, red line, blue line, blue line, red line. Okay. Again, red line, blue line, blue line, red line. Again, red line, blue line, blue line, red line. Okay, children, in the previous class, what did you learn? In the previous class, we'll revise the last two classes, okay? So in the last two classes, you learned dot. So in the second blue line, you're going to put a dot. Dot, dash, small dash. Dot, dash, standing line. How do you write standing line? From the red line to the blue line. So dot, dash, standing line. Next, which pattern did you learn? This is pattern writing. Which pattern did you learn, children? Sleeping line. So little you should draw. Sleeping line. Next, slanting line. Slanting line. What did you learn? Dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Next, we are going to learn curves. Curves. You should, from the red line to the blue line. Curves. Okay, children? Curves. How do you write curves? You should write neatly. You should not write like this. I'll show you, see. From the red line you should write neatly like this, not like this. This is wrong. You should write neatly to take a small bend. Curves. Next is bend. You bend, you curve. How do you write you curve? From the red line to the blue line. You should write you curve. This is U curve, as well as we can call it as up curve. So when you go up like this is called up curve. This is down curves. What? Down curves. Curves, up curve, U curve. Up curve, down curves. Again, I'll repeat. See, I'll show you again. So how do you write up curve? From the red line, you should go down, take a bend, come down, go up. That is up curve. How do you write down curve? From the blue line, second blue line, go up, take a bend, come like this. So that is called up curves. Curves, curves, up curves, down curves. Down curves. Okay, children. Again, we will repeat. Dot. Say it with me, children. Open your mouth and say. Don't simply sit in front of the book. Parents, once again, I request you to please give the practice. That is 4-line book. That is red and blue lines book. In the rough notebook, please practice pattern writing. What? Pattern writing. So first is dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Only when you are able to write these pattern writings, then only you can start writing the alphabets. Okay? Again, I'll teach you curves. That is when you take a bend, it's called curves. This is up curves, down curves. Again, I'll repeat. Dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. This is curves. What are the shapes you get in curves? You get shapes like a ball. So this is curve. This is ball has got a curves. Example I'm giving, that is, suppose this half moon. Moon is also in shape of a curve. Okay, children? Moon is also shape of a curve. In up curves and down curves, you can draw a jug in up curve, okay? Cup. You can draw a cup. You have seen a cup and saucer. You have seen cup. It will be in the shape of a curve. Next, down curve. You can draw an umbrella. Down curve. Okay, children. So again, I'll repeat once again. You don't get irritated while getting pattern writing. Is very, very important. You have to practice pattern writing in the red and blue lines. That is 4 lines book. Okay, children. So again, I'll teach you dot, dash, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Curves, up curves, down curves. Okay, children. So today you learned the next 3 pattern writing. So in the next class, I will ask you, which is this? You should tell children whether it is curve, dot, dash or sleeping line. Okay, children? Parents, once again, I request you kindly sit with the child and explain them the different pattern writing and different slanting line, sleeping line, dot, dash and curves. Help them to write, to touch from the red line to the blue line. Okay, children. So the next you're going to learn is English oral. Next you're going to learn English oral. Okay. English oral. Okay. Now what letter is this? Capital A, small a. A for apple. You like apple, right? So you are going to write here capital A, small a. A for apple. Okay. Next. What letter is this? Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Okay, children? What did you learn? Capital A, small a. Next is capital B, small b. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. A for apple. B for butterfly. Now, which letter is this? C. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. Okay, children, next. What letter is this? Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. D for doll. Yes. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. E for elephant. 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 Capital E, small e. E for elephant. Next. What letter is this? F. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. F for fish. You like fish, right? Goldfish, silverfish and all will be there. Where does the fish live? You will get fish only in the water. Fish swims in the water. So capital F, small f. F for fish. F for fish. Capital F, small f. F for fish. Next, what letter is this? What letter is this? G. Capital G, small g. G for grapes. Your favorite fruit, right? All the children loves grapes, right? What color is the color of the grapes? Green in color. What is the color of the grapes? Green in color. So capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Next, children. H. Capital H, small h. H for hen. Can you see this hen? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hen. Yes. Capital H, small h. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. Next. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Children love ice cream, right? So, capital I, small I. I for ice cream. Children love ice cream, right? Everybody likes children. You like ice cream, right? Which are the flavors? Vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, all the flavors you like. So, I for ice cream. Once again, repeat. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream. Okay, children. So, again, I'll repeat. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. Okay, children. So today you learned English writing and English oral. So in the next class, we'll learn much more. Okay. Thank you.